In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects from photos using Photoshop 2024. This is an incredibly useful skill to have whether you're looking to perfect your photos for personal use or for a professional project. Let's dive right in and get started. Once you have Photoshop open and ready, begin by adding your image to the workspace. You can do this simply by dragging your desired photo into the program or by selecting File and then Open from the top menu, navigating to where your image is stored. Give it a moment to load up completely on your screen. With your image now in Photoshop, our next step is to select the object that you wish to remove. To do this, you'll want to use the lasso tool, which can be found along the left-hand side of your screen in the toolbar. The lasso tool allows you to make a freehand selection, which is perfect for objects of irregular shapes. Click on the lasso tool, then carefully trace around the object you want to remove. Take your time here, as accuracy and precision will make the difference in achieving a clean edit. Now that the object is selected, the next step is to right-click on your selection. You will see a list of options appear. Click on the Fill option. This action will bring up a Fill dialog box, which gives you several options for filling in the space your object previously occupied. When the Fill dialog box appears, you'll want to choose Content Aware from the drop-down menu. This option allows Photoshop to intelligently fill in the area based on the surrounding pixels, which typically results in a seamless transition that looks natural. This is one of the features that makes Photoshop exceptionally powerful for photo editing tasks like this. After selecting Content Aware, click OK. Photoshop will take a moment to process, replacing your selected object with a background drawn from the nearby surrounding area. If the first attempt doesn't produce the exact effect you're looking for, press Ctrl and Z to undo, and try adjusting your selection or using a different fill setting for a better fit. Once you're satisfied with the removal, take a moment to admire your improved image. You can repeat this process for any other objects you might want to remove. Make sure to save your edited photo by going to File and then selecting Save As, choosing your preferred file format to ensure you don't lose your work. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've learned how to effectively remove unwanted objects from your images in Photoshop 2024, enhancing both the aesthetic and the professionalism of your photos. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.